A lot of people have ideas, but there are few only who decide to do something not tomorrow but today. The true entrepreneur is a doer, not a dreamer. The capacity and willingness to develop, organize, and manage a business venture along with any of its risks in order to make a profit. Entrepreneurship plays a very important role in the economic development. It is the entrepreneur who organizes and uses capital, labor, and technology in the best possible manner for the setting up of his enterprise. After attending this course, students get familiar with the characteristic and motivation of successful entrepreneurs. Students learn how to identify and refine market opportunities, how to secure financing, how to develop and evaluate business plans and manages strategic partnerships. Entrepreneurship development is designed as learning activity and enables students to practice such activity as researching market for new products, service ideas, producing a business plan with projected financial statements, and identifying resources to implement the plan. The course gives students better understanding of how to start a new firm and how to deal with business ventures. The objective of this course is to make students develop and strengthen entrepreneurial qualities, that is, motivation or need for achievement. Understand the process and procedure involved in setting up small unit and know the sources of help and support available for starting a small-scale industry. Students acquire necessary managerial skill required to run the industrial unit and helping the person to understand environmental changes and opportunities. The duration of this course is 7 weeks. Students have to give 3 to 4 hours per week. Medium of this course is English. There are 6 credits per course. The teaching methodology is through video lectures, PowerPoint presentation, and instant feedback quiz. We are providing handout as a study material, and assessment will be on the basis of online multiple choice question assignments and capstone project. This course has been divided into 7 weeks. In week 1, the topics are Introduction to Entrepreneurship, Types of Entrepreneurship, Classification of Business, and Definition of Entrepreneurship. In the topic Entrepreneur, you will learn about entrepreneurial process, entrepreneurship, and the role of innovation. Is the entrepreneurial as an innovator or as organizer? In week 2, the topics included are new venture and business plans, the advantages and disadvantages of a business plan, and life cycle of a business opportunity identification, SWOT and risk analysis, buying an established business, buying a franchisee, building a network sale business, entrepreneurial legal requirements. Week 3. You will learn about the topics and introductory framework of small-scale industry, characteristic and role of a small business, classification of small business, source of financing. In week 4, you will learn about establishing a small enterprise, where setting up process, project identification, selection of project formulation, assessment of project feasibility, market survey, investment and risk analysis. You will learn about reason of failure, women entrepreneurship, emerging trend of new growth in the business entrepreneurship of a woman in India, important scheme to encourage women entrepreneurship. In week 5, you will learn about institutional assistance for small scale industry in India, like it is about central government and state government. You can see the different subtopics included in central and state government. You will learn about other agencies such as Housing and Urban Development Corporation, Institute for Designing Electrical Measuring Instruments, Technical Consultancy Organizations, Non-Government Organization, Korean Village Industrial Commission, and Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India. In the topic Financial Institutions, you will learn about Small Industry Development Bank of India, commercial banks, regional rural bank, cooperative banks, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. In the week 5, you will learn about Industrial Association, which includes the subtopics as Federation of Association of Small Scale Industries, Confederation of Industries, Indian, Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industries. It is then followed by an assessment, and for week 7 you have to submit a capstone project. Thank you.